welcome. My name is Yin Hao. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to present my research on the application of artificial intelligence in the education of Malaysian Chinese students. This study aims to explore how AI educational tools are transforming learning experience, particularly in a multicultural context like Malaysia. What is the AI? Artificial intelligence or AI is the science of enabling machines to think, learn, and perform tasks like human. It combines multiple fields such as computer science, data analysis, and psychology. By integrating these disciplines, as AI has become powerful tool across various industries, including education. AI in education. In the field of education, AI is revolutionizing how students learn by providing personalized learning experience. AI tools improve learning efficiency and enhance students' engagement. These applications are expanding rapidly worldwide and show great potential to address education challenges. Focus of study. My research focuses especially on the impact of AI tools on Malaysian Chinese students. Sufficient is not group in Malaysia multicultural society. These students face unique challenge in education. This study investigates how AI tools influence their learning outcomes and address issues like cultural relevance and accessibility. Mm, okay, part is data review. Key benefits of AI in education. AI is revolutionizing education through personalization, intelligent system adapted to individual student needs, offering real-time feedback and custom learning plans. Scalability. AI tools can support students across urban and rural areas, overcoming traditional barriers to access. Real-time feedback. Immediate insight into student performance help correct mistakes and improve outcomes. This benefit highlights AI's potential to reshape learning experience globally. Challenge of AI in education. However, several challenges in impede AI adoption, including high cost. Implementing AI technologies requires sufficient investment, which many rural schools in Malaysia cannot afford. Infrastructure limitation. Integrated internet connectivity and outdated hardware remain barriers in many regions. Teacher resistance. Educators often hesitate to adopt AI due to fear of job displacement or concerns about system reliability. Addressing this challenge is crucial for the effective integration of AI in education. Technology to analyze the AI adoption, I have used three keys for frameworks. Technology acceptance model. Focus on perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. If students find AI tools beneficial and easy to use, they are more likely to adopt them. TPB explores how attitude, subjective norms, and perceived behavior control shape students' intention to use AI. In Malaysian Chinese culture, family and the community often influence technology acceptance. SWOT analysis, strengths, personalization, scalability, weakness, cost, infrastructure, opportunity, culture, adaptability to support multilingual learners. Threat, privacy concerns and over-dependence on AI tools. Now let's talk about the research methodology. The study adopts a quantitative approach using an online survey to collect data. We selected 100 Chinese university students who have experience with AI tools for learning. These participants were chosen through proposing sampling, meaning they were selected based on their relevance to the research topic. The survey consists of 30 questions on topics such as AI tools usage, learning outcomes, and student experience. The questions were designed on a 7-point scale to capture a wide range of attitude and experience. Key variable. The independent variable include the factor like the frequency and the type of AI tools usage, ease of use, and user satisfaction. The dependent variable are the learning outcomes, efficiency, academic performance, motivation, and overall satisfaction with the learning experience. Data analysis. We use the SPSS for data analysis. The first step was describe analysis to summarize the data and understand the pattern. We also conducted a reliability test using McDonald Omega coefficient to check the consistency of the survey questions. Then we performed correlation analysis to see how the different variables are related, followed by multiple regression analysis that helped us assess two strengths and the direction of relationships between AI tool usage and learning outcomes. Finally, assumption test. During regression analysis, we tested several key assumptions such as the normality of the data, homogeneity, and multi-collinearity. We also looked for outliers in the data to ensure its integrity. In conclusion, the methodology aims to provide a clear understanding of how AI tools influence the learning outcomes of Chinese students in Malaysia, with a focus on data accuracy and reliability. Thank you. This chapter focused on analyzing the data collected for my research. The analysis is organized into 5 main sections. The response per phase, reliability of the measurement, descriptive analysis of the main variable, correlation analysis, and hypothesis testing. Let's divide into the detail. First, let's talk about the response rate. I received 100 complete questionnaires, all from Malaysian Chinese university students. That resulted in a 100% response rate, meaning that all of the data collected in valid and complete for analysis. There were no missing or invalid response, ensuring that the results are reliable and can be used for further examination. Data screening and cleaning. Before performing any analysis in the data underwent a screen and cleaning process. This involved validating the data to ensure accuracy and eliminating any errors. We also checked for duplicates or invalid answers pattern and removed any that could affect the integrity of the study. With this through cleaning process, the data set was prepared for further analysis. Reliability analysis. Now let's look at the reliability of the data collected. In the reliability test, we used the Cronbach's alpha to elevate the consistency of the item in the questionnaire. For the section on AI tools usage, the Cronbach's alpha value was found to be 0.005, which indicates low reliability. This means the item marrying all AI tools need some revisions to improve the consistency. On the other hand, the learning outcomes section showed a much higher reliability with a Cronbach's alpha of 0.826, which indicates a strong and stable measurement of learning outcomes. Spearman correlation analysis. Moving on, correlation analysis. We used the Spearman correlation because the data did not meet the normality criteria. The result shows a significant positive correlation between the variable with some strong relationship and other weaker. For example, there was a strong positive correlation R equal 0.899 between question 9 and question 11, indicating that the use of AI tools was closely related to improvements in 13 learning outcomes. However, a weak correlation R equal 0.315 was found between question 10 and question 14, suggesting a less sufficient relationship. This finding suggests that AI tools may have a positive effect on learning outcomes, but the strength of this effect varies depending on the specific factor involved. Linear regression analysis. Finally, let's look at the result of linear regression analysis. The adjusted R squared value was 0.0220, meaning that only 2% of the variance in learning outcomes could be explained by the independent variables in the model. That indicates that the regression model has limited explanatory power. The F-test p-value was 0.279, which is greater than 0.05, meaning the model is statistically insufficient. In other words, the variable used in the regression model don't have significant impact on learning outcomes. Based on this finding, future research may need to revise the model by including more variables or increasing the sample size to improve explanatory power. This part is discussion and recommendation. My research shows that students who use AI tools more frequently tend to have a better understanding of their study materials. AI helps personalize learning by adjusting to each student's pace, improving performance. However, the analysis also revealed that AI tools alone don't predict academic success. Other factors like motivation, teaching quality, and peer interaction are also important limitations. The study had a more simple size of 100 students and was based on single time point. So more research is needed to understand the long-term Effect of AI on learning. Recommendation: integrate AI in teaching through workshops and personalized learning system. Use AI for mentorship, matching students with the mentor based on their needs. Promote cultural exchange through AI-driven virtual platforms. Continuously evaluate AI tools based on student feedback to improve their impact. Conclusion: AI tools have sufficient potential to enhance learning outcomes, but their impact is influenced by various factors. This research is just the beginning, and as AI technology continues to evolve, further studies will be crucial to fully realize its potential is education setting. By refining how we use and measure AI tools, we can better harness their power to improve teaching and learning. Thank you for your attention.